Hello guys, so this is how you're going to recover a deleted user account in Google Workspace. So first thing is you're going to log into your Google Admin Console using your administrator credentials. Next, you're going to head over to the user section. So as you can see, this is the user section and you have here your one deleted user. Now from here, you're going to click on add a filter and you're going to select recently deleted. So just click on this add a filter or just click on more and then you can see this recently deleted users. Now this will display the accounts that were deleted in the last 20 days. Now you're going to have to find a user you want to restore and then just click on restore. You will then be asked to assign a new organizational unit or keep them in the same one. Once confirmed, the user's account will be restored along with their data provided it's within the 20-day recovery period. If it's been longer than 20 days, the account cannot be recovered. And that's it. That is how you recovered deleted user account in Google Workspace. Just make sure that the deleted account is just within 20 days. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.